children, welcome to ASA Education. आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 46 Wren Martin High School Grammar Book और टॉपिक है moods and tenses. Choose the correct verb form from those in brackets. The earth dash round the sun, moves round the sun. My friends dashed the Prime Minister yesterday, saw the Prime Minister yesterday. I dash him only one letter up to now. I have sent him only one letter up to now. She dash worried about something. She looks worried about something. This is correct. And she is looking worried about something is also correct. It started to rain while we dashed tennis. While we were playing tennis. He dashed fast when the accident happened. He was driving fast when the accident happens. He dashed asleep while he was driving. He fell asleep while he was driving. I'm sure I dashed him at the party last night. I'm sure I saw him at the party last night. He dashed a mill in this town. He has a mill town in. He dashed here for the last 5 years. He has been working here for the past or last 5 years. He thanked me for what I dash. Thanked me for what I had done. I dash a strange noise. I hear a strange noise. I dash him for a long time. I have known him for a long time. We dash English for 5 years. We have been studying English for 5 years. Don't disturb me. I dash my homework. I am doing homework. Abdul dash to be a doctor. Abdul wants to be a doctor. The soup dash good. The soup tastes good. He dash TV most evenings. He watches TV most evenings. He dashed out 5 minutes ago. He went out 5 minutes ago. When he lived in Hyderabad, he dashed to the cinema once a week. When he lived in Hyderabad, he went to the cinema once a week. The baby dashed all morning. The baby has been crying all morning. I dash Rahim at the zoo. I saw Rahim at the zoo. I dash Kumar this week. I haven't seen Kumar this week. Or we can say, I didn't see Kumar this week. दोनों ही सही है. This paper dashed twice weekly. This paper appears twice weekly. Ashok fell off the ladder when he was mending the roof. Here is आपकी exercise. Then we will meet in exercise number 47. Subscribe ASA Education.